Jasmine are playing guitar. And we're still camping. So yeah. Hey Jackson. Are you playing on the monkey? Justice? Smile. Here's Jackson. He's going so fast. I think he's gonna win the marathon.
Mrs. Brown, please let me down. Now let's see how the color.
Yep. Now they're playing Mr. Krabs.
Oh, she does.
Where?
In her hair.
Oh.
Yeah, it's her ponytail.
Alright, so today we're gonna go to Ikea. And Justice, how are you feeling, Justice? Feeling good? You know your colors? What's your favorite colors?
Yeah.
Orange and yellow, right?
Right.
Orange
Right.
and yellow. So yellow. Yellow. Yeah. And so yeah, we're having lunch right now. Jen and Joel are doing some kind of yogurt. What are you guys doing?
Putting it in my yolk.
Oh, I see. It's like the, yeah.
So
Alright, the phone. And yeah, so it's a great day today. So we're gonna go to the adventure park. Oh, thanks.
Joel did that.
Oh my word, Joel! Not funny. Not funny at all. I'll just have to wipe it up. That's not gonna last. Yeah, today we're gonna go to Ikea, visit some friends, and then tomorrow we might go to Adventure Park, I think. So, yeah. So in the scene, what happened was, I saw a clock tower, and all of a sudden it reminded me of Small World, and then we started singing it, and then Joel kind of got crazy and made fun of it in front of Jasmine. So, there you go. I'm not in a mood. Alright, we'll leave Jasmine alone. We all know how brothers are. So we're heading into Ikea, again of course, and yeah, we're gonna get like dinner. Well, I'm gonna go shop a bit. And Justice is gonna go to the play place, which he didn't go to last time. And we're not sure what the age limit is, but Ikea cafe dinner. Yes, this is like our mid-lunch dinner. And I'm having a egg salad sandwich, and then some yummy tomato soup with some cheese, I guess. And then Jasmine just had fish and chips and like. I really want like the kid size, but whatever. Yeah. Here's the Ikea cart dancing, and Jackson is not liking it very much right now. And do it again. Do it again. That. And Joel is at the play place.